I use 3 millimeters hook and yarn. This is cotton yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Make a slip knot. Yarn over and chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 57 chains in here. Mark this chain. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert your hook into mark chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 double crochet in here. Yarn over, go to next in next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch. In this stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Yarn over, pull through all of them, make 1 chain. Skip this chain, 1 chain, go to next chain. Yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to same chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make a chain. Skip 1 chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain. Skip 1 chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, and continue for this round like this. I made cluster stitches in here. Skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make last cluster stitch in this chain. I show. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 cluster stitches in first row. Yarn over, go to last chain, make 1 double crochet in last chain. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it. Go to top of this first stitch in here, in this hole. Make 1 double crochet, go to skip this cluster stitch, go to this space in here, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, Skip this cluster stitch, go to this space, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, go to next space, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, make V stitch in each space. In here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, and continue like this for second row. Make V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, go to last stitch, make V stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, turn it, skip this stitch first and second V stitch. In this stitch, go to third V stitch in here, skip this stitch, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, I show like this, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. In here, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, skip this V stitch, go to next V stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chains, skip this V stitch, go to next V stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 1 2 3 4 5 6, make 1 2 chains, skip V stitch, go to next V stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, and continue like this. Make last shell stitch in here, 1 2 chains, skip 1 V stitch, go to here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 chains, skip this stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, turn it, go to this in here, this space, pull up yarn, pull through, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to here, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through all of them, 1 2 3 chains. Go to next space, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, 1 2 3 chains. Make cluster stitches. Go to next space, make 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 chains, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 chains, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3. Go to here, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3. Go to these chains, 1 cluster stitch, close it. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cluster stitch. Skip this stitch, go to next in here and make cluster stitches, 1 2 3 chains. Go to here, 1 cluster stitch, chains, 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains, 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 chains, cluster stitch, 1 2 3 chains. Go to this chain, close it. Skip this stitch, go to here and continue for this row. Go to last stitch, make 1 cluster stitch, 1 2 3 chains. Go to last double crochet and slip stitch.